How to delete your Facebook account. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can delete your Facebook account. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up your Facebook application. Now once you are in here, you have to go on your profile menu. For that, you just have to click on this bottom right corner option of the menu, and here you just have to go on the settings and the privacy. Now here is the option of the settings. You can also click on it, and you can also go from the other side, that is, if you go back and click on this gear icon, and from here you can also go in your Facebook profile menu. So now once you are in, you just have to scroll down, and here is the option of the personal details. You have to click on it, and from here you have to also go on the personal details of your account settings, and from here you just have to click on the account ownership and the control, and from here there is the option of the deactivation or the deletion. You just have to click on it. Now you just have to select your Facebook profile that you want to delete, and from here you have to select the option of the delete account, and after that you just have to click on the continue. Now Facebook will ask the confirmation to delete your account. You just have to click on it, and after that you are able to delete your Facebook account. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.